Hello student, today we are studying chapter number 6 from standard 8 mathematics, factorization of algebraic expression. In previous video we already learned factors of quadratic trinomial. This is the simplest form of this quadratic trinomial. We know the expansion of this x plus a into x plus b is equal to this one. So this is also one type of quadratic trinomial because here are three terms and it is quadratic. So therefore it is quadratic trinomial. So these its factors are x plus a and x plus b. Today we are going to learn factors of a cube plus b cube and factors of a cube minus b cube, and some questions depend on it. We already know the expansion of x plus a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now here I am taking together this term which are in cubic form. So this is the next step. Here I take one another and these are the two remaining terms. From this last two remaining terms we can take 3ab as a common term. So here I take 3ab as a common. So the remaining factors are here a and here b. So therefore a plus b. Now we want factors of a cube plus b cube. So here I am taking this extra term, that is 3ab into bracket a plus b on another hand side. Now it is plus. So when you take it at another side, it will become minus. Now in both sides, you can see a plus b. So we can take this a plus b again as a common. So here I am just factorizing it. A plus b bracket cube we can write as like this, and the remaining term is this one. So let's take this a plus b as a common. So the remaining terms are a plus b bracket square minus 3ab. Now we know the expansion of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here you can see this term and this term have same variables. So therefore if you write it like this, so we can group it together and we can subtract it. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, but here with bigger sign its answer is minus 1. So therefore our answer is minus ab. So this is the expansion of a cube plus b cube. Therefore a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b in another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Let's study the next a cube minus b cube. By using similar steps we can find out these factors of a cube minus b cube. So let's start it. We know again this expansion of a minus b bracket cube is equal to this one. Take these cube terms together and the remaining terms are this one. Again we can take 3ab as a common. So here I take minus 3ab as a common. So here this positive symbol convert into negative, so that negative into negative becomes positive. So again take this here again we require this a cube minus b cube, factors of this a cube minus b cube. Therefore I am taking this last term towards left hand side. So here it is minus. So when you take it on another hand side it will become plus. Again we can take a minus b as a common. So here I take a minus b as a common term and these are the remaining terms. Again we know the expansion of a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, and again after subtraction of these two terms we will get its subtraction plus 1, because minus 2 plus 3 is equal to plus 1. So here it is plus 1ab. So this is the expansion of a cube minus b cube is equal to, see here it is minus symbol, so start it from minus and then alter it. So a minus b in another bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. Let's solve some numericals based on this expansion. This is the first question, factorize it. We can convert this 8a cube as a, we know 8 is a cube of 2 and it's variable a. So here I am writing this cube as a common cube. Again we know that 125 is a cube of 5, and then this variable b, and take this cube as a common cube. So we can write these two terms like this. So this is the another notification, that is 2a bracket cube plus 5b bracket cube. Now on comparing with, because here it is plus symbol, so again on comparing with a cube plus b cube, here the value of a is now 2a and the value of b is now 5b. So therefore these are the two values. We know the expansion of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. So let's substitute all these values, that is 2a and 5b in this formula. So after substitution we will get this is 2a 5b, the value of a, here the value of a is 2a, value of b is 5b, and here also b square means 5b square. Now let's solve it. This addition is not possible because both variables are different. So this first bracket will remain as it is. Now let's solve the second is square bracket. Square of 2a is equal to 4a square, because square of 2 is 4 and a square remains a square. Next is minus symbol. Let's multiply it. 2 5s are 10, a into b, ab, plus square of 5 is equal to 25 and the square of b is equal to b square. So this is the factors of this our question, that is 8a cube plus 125b cube. Let's solve one more question. 27x cube minus 347 divided by y cube. So again we can convert it. This 27 is a cube of 3, then x and then bracket cube, minus this 347 is a cube of 7 divided by y bracket cube. Now here minus symbol is given. So on comparing with a cube minus b cube, here the value of a is 3x and the value of b is now 7 upon y. Again we know that the expansion a cube minus b cube is equal to this one. Let's substitute this value of a and b in this formula. So this is the value of a and the value of b is now 7 upon y, this bracket, another bracket, here I just convert it into this square bracket, then in small bracket value of a plus in another bracket value of a into value of b plus this b square, bracket completed. Now let's solve it. this first term will remain as it is because this subtraction is not possible due to these different variables. Let's solve this next bracket. Square of 3 is equal to 9 and square of x is equal to x square plus multiplication of these two numbers. 3 7s are 21 into x divided by y plus square of 7 is equal to 49 and square of y is equal to y square. So this is the factors of this our given question. Let us solve one more question, that is simplify a m plus n bracket cube minus m minus n bracket cube. We can solve this question by using a plus b bracket cube and a minus b bracket cube by this formula also, or one more method we can use here, a cube minus b cube. So on comparing with this, we will get value of a is equal to m plus n and the value of b is equal to now here m minus n. Again we know the expansion of this a cube minus b cube is equal to this one. Let's substitute all these value in this expansion in this formula. So after substitution we will get this term. This is the value of a, value of b, then again a square plus this is the multiplication of these two bracket and this is the last step, that is b square. Now let's solve it. Here we can open this bracket, but due to this negative symbol, the bracket symbols inside the bracket will get exchanged. So let's solve this. This first bracket will remain as it is. Second bracket will convert into this form. Here it is plus symbol, so this plus symbol will convert into minus and this minus will convert into plus. Now we know the expansion of a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the conversion of this bracket. Now here we can see these two brackets are in the form a plus b and a minus b. So this is the expansion of a square minus b square. Therefore its multiplication becomes m square minus n square. Now again here we can use the expansion of a minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is the conversion of this m minus n bracket square. Let's open this small bracket. Here you can see both symbols are positive, so there is no changes in this symbol. So all symbols will remain as it is. After opening all brackets we will get this term. Here we can see m are at two places but with different or alternate symbol, so we can eliminate this 2m. So the remaining value is 2n. Now in next bracket m square and here also m square. So all m square have positive symbol, so the addition will get takes place. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 m square. Now let's move to this second term, that is 2mn. 2mn is here also. Both terms have same coefficient but with different symbol. So again this 2mn will get cancelled. Next this n square minus n square will also get cancelled and only 1 n square will remain here. So this is the factor of our given question, m plus n bracket cube minus m minus n bracket cube.